Turn your head, that's good. Go whichever way you want to go. Go whichever way you want to go. More, put your hands further in front, lean against your boots. Straight out. Straighten your hands. Straighten your arms. Turn your head first, don't look down. Turn your head. Good. Turn your head. Good. But Megan, follow me. Like more like this. Look at how my hands are straight out. And I'm going to turn my steering wheel. Turn my head. Turn my steering wheel. I got to turn. I got to turn. I got to turn. Turn your head first. Yeah. Now keep turning and go uphill and stop. Huh?